Even though the formal launch of the Galaxy S24 is still about a month away, there have been various leaks about its features and specs in recent months. After certain facts about the Galaxy S24 series' generative AI capabilities were revealed recently, further information about the S24 Ultra's display has emerged. According to tipster Ahmed Quater, the dynamic AMOLED 2X screen on the S24 Ultra may feature a peak screen brightness of up to 2600 nits. This recent leak contradicts speculations claiming that all three phones in the lineup will have a peak screen brightness of 2500 nits. However, obtaining this peak brightness may be restricted to HDR situations for a limited duration. For instance, all models in the Galaxy S23 series have a peak brightness of 1750 nits during HDR scenarios. If this new information is correct, it will make the display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra even brighter. The Samsung screen outperforms both the iPhone 15's 2000 nits and the Google Pixel 8's 2400 nits panels. It's vital to know that display brightness isn't measured on a linear scale. Because the brightness scale it employs is logarithmic, having 200 nits does not necessarily imply that it is twice as bright as having 100 nits. Similarly, having a screen brightness of 2000 nits is not noticeably brighter than having 1000 nits. According to their sources, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will include a 200-megapixel camera, a 12-maps ultra-wide lens, and two telephoto lenses, one with a 50-megapixel 5x zoom camera and the other with a 10-megapixels 10x zoom camera. This information contradicts reports that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will include either a combination of 3x and 10x zoom cameras or a combination of 3x and 5x zoom cameras. The presence of a 5x and 10x zoom lens in the Ultra suggests that Samsung may depend on its 200 megapixels camera to achieve zoom capabilities ranging from 2x to 3x via picture cropping. Furthermore, Samsung might possibly apply image fusion methods to improve picture quality at zoom ranges ranging from 3x to less than 5x by merging findings from the main camera with specialist telephoto lenses. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.